What's up, guys? Welcome back to Sip and Dip with Chelsea. For today's video, it is actually a Halloween collab with Marla, Chris, and myself. So we decided to come up with a few different types of Halloween themes, and then in her Facebook group, we let everyone vote. So the majority of everybody voted for Vampy. So then Marla and myself got to take that theme and kind of put our own spin and interpretation of what Vampy means to us. So I went ahead and already did all of the dip powder on my nails. Right here, this color is Classy and Fabulous from Sparkle & Co. And then the white is North Star Glow, and it does glow. So this black shade here is from Manny Boss, and it is called Phantom. And y'all, I was shook when I used this. I saw it was a true black, and it did not stain my skin at all. It did not stain my dip powder liquid brushes. I could not get over it. So if you are in the market for a true black that's beginner friendly, that one is the right one. So I purchased this from Dipalicious Nails. It's a HEMA-free matte velvet gel top coat. I went ahead and used it on these 3 nails already to get them ready for my art, but I was very impressed with this product. Super easy to use. It fills in all of those imperfections, and it truly does give a very velvet matte feel to the nails. So if you're in the market for a new matte top coat, highly suggest this one, especially because it's also HEMA free. Be sure to check out Marla's video tomorrow. I'm going to have her channel linked down in the description box below so you can see her interpretation of Vampy. And y'all, I saw it and I was so shook. It is so creative, so be sure to check it out. So now for the fun part, which is the art, I'll be using Sparkle & Co.'s gel polishes today. I have 001, which is Little Black Dress, and 018, which is Red Carpet Ready. I also have my little gel palette here. All of these products will be linked down below. I've gone ahead and done a little dollop of each color on there. So I'll be using my Beetles brush set. I got this from Amazon. It comes with 4 different size brush bristles. I really love this set. It's very affordable and you get a nice variety of sizes. So I'm starting out with my lips first, and I'm starting on that outer edge, and we're gonna basically draw an M. I really want the curves to be high. I want very full, voluptuous, vampy lips. And I'm also making the lips very wide and open so I can fit the teeth inside of them. So now I'm just filling them in a little bit so they have a very full look. And if you notice, I am not curing. So I do plan to add some glitter to them. So I am going to leave them wet. And I'm going to get some more red on my brush so we can start doing those blood drips. So that drip effect is really simple. You just draw a line and then a little ball at the end of it. So I am all done, and I am not going to cure yet. We're going to use DP50, which is Ruby Slippers from Sparkle & Co., and pour this over top the nail so the gel is still wet, and this will give it that sugared effect. Then you cure for 60 seconds, and then you can dust off. So now that I'm done with my lips, I can start on the teeth. So I grabbed another one of my clean Beetles brushes. So this one is a little bit longer bristles, and we're going to use the black to trace around in that negative space in the mouth so that we can outline the teeth. So I did play around with using the fangs in different places. So doing 4 teeth on top or 2 teeth. And I was talking to CJ from Candy's Skincare about this, and apparently I did not know this, but there are different shapes of fangs and where they're placed and how they look. So she sent me this diagram, and I apparently am going with the True Blood, and we've got a bucktooth vampire in this one. It was just so hard to fit in more teeth on the top row, so that's what I went with. And I wanted to do the black in the negative space and leave the white dip powder as the teeth because the white dip powder glows. So I thought that was really fun. So I am all done. I'm going to cure for 60 seconds, and then we're going to add some matte top coat. So I don't want that to be shiny. So I'm just going to add a little dollop of that inside of those lips on top of all of the black, and then we cure again for 60 seconds. So now I'm going to do my Vampire Bites nail. So I've grabbed my Mani Boss 2-in-1 gel base and gel top coat. I'm going to add a little dollop of this next to this red one here that I haven't used yet. And we're going to use a dotting tool to mix them. So basically this is just kind of diluting the red to give it that bloody, diluted red look. So I'm going to use my dotting tool to make sort of splotchy dots right here on the nail. I don't want them to be perfect circles, so I'm just kind of pushing the product out a little bit. And then I'm going to do it a little off center on the side here because I don't feel like it should be perfectly even and lined up. And then we cure for 60 seconds. So now that I am cured, I am going to use my red brush again to make a sort of uneven circle in the middle of it. And then we're going to drag it down to do that line and drip look. So once I am done with this, again, I do not cure this because we're gonna pour the glitter over top of the drips, which is why we cured that first bite spot so that they did not get glitter on them. So I'm just pouring the glitter over top, cure for 60 seconds, and then we can dust off. So now onto the sugar nails. I've got my 2-in-1 again. We're gonna paint this across the entire nail. Do not cure, and then we're gonna pour the glitter over top. So once you're happy with the glitter coverage, then cure for 60 seconds and dust off. So I'm going to follow those same steps for my pinky nail here, just applying that 2-in-1 across the entire nail, and then pour the glitter over top and then cure for 60 seconds. So if you don't have a 2-in-1, you could totally use a gel base or a gel top coat. It doesn't have to be a 2-in-1. I just prefer that product. So I wanted some more glitter on my lips nail, so I wanted to show y'all how I fixed that. So I grabbed my 2-in-1, I'm just adding a little bit on my palette here, and I have another clean brush, I'm working it through the bristles, and now I'm outlining the lips in that bare area where the glitter really didn't grab onto. So what can happen sometimes when you pour over, because this dip powder does have clear acrylic in it and it's not just glitter, it can leave it not having full glitter coverage. So with this particular nail, I am going to just do this little outline and then lay my nail flat into the glitter and cure for 60 seconds. So now I have that beautiful full coverage glitter sugar nail effect that I was looking for. I had so much fun doing this nail art. While staying true to the theme, I did vampy, but also staying true to myself and adding some glitter. So thank you so much, Marla, for doing this fun Halloween theme collab. Be sure to check out her channel so you can see her take on this vampy theme. It turned out so cool. Y'all will have to go check it out and leave her some love. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see y'all in the next video.